what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Redmi K70 and this K70 Pro. No, so this is the Redmi K70E, and in this video, let's compare everything between them and see which one suits you most. By the way, if you want to check out the Redmi K70 series, you can always check it out from my friend's website, GizTop, because GizTop always send me phones, and if you buy from them, you sponsor me as well, right? Definitely check it out. It is a trustworthy shop. Rest assured about that. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so Redmi K70 vanilla version and Redmi K70E. I already took out the phones here. Okay, the first difference you will see is like for the 70, it comes with only 50 megapixel, while for the 70E it comes 64. Oh, that means like 70E performs better? Not really. The camera is not working that way. The higher the pixel, the better the camera performance. No, it's not working that way, and I will compare those a little bit later, so stay tuned for that. Let's just unbox for the 70 manual phone case. Moving on, we have the 120 watts fast charger, the same as the 70 Pro. Wow, and also the Type-C cable. While for the 70E, should be no difference, but the charger it downgraded to 19 watts. Okay, let's just compare it. So for the 70E, they have speaker on the top. Both have infrared blaster and the D-Noise mic. Nothing on this side. Also, we have the SIM card tray. Alright, the same. This is 70. SIM card tray. Dual SIM card, dual standby, not supporting SD card expansion. I move to the right side. Power key, volume rocker. Basically, they look the same, right? If I just cover this part, you have no idea which is which. And even for the 70 Pro, you want to be able to know which is which, right? But for the 70 Pro, it comes with this cool finish, which I really like. Not either to get fingerprints at all. But for the 70E and the 70, yeah, it's a little bit, either to get fingerprints. One of the big difference between the two is they have different chipset. Like for the 70E is Dimensity 8300 Ultra, while for the 70 it's Snapdragon 2nd generation. Definitely we have to test is the Antutu benchmark, right? Wow, just check out the screen. Display, can compare the two. 90, okay, it's out. The 70 already out. Well, for the 70E is still running. I would say the temperature feels the same. A little bit hot, but not like too overwhelmingly. Okay, right. The results is out, but as you can see for the 70E, it says the results. This score is abnormal. I would say not so much a big difference, but anyway, let me just compare the camera. Right now it's the 70, the camera interface video. For the rear camera, it supports up to, also 8K 24, 4K 60 FPS. While for the front, let me check. Yeah, 1080p 60 FPS, so no 4K as usual. More the same thing as the 70 Pro, right? So that's the 70. Okay, for the 70E, they will support up to 4K, 4K, as you can see, 4K 30 FPS. So definitely, this number higher, the higher number does mean higher, better performance. That's the rear camera. Now let's switch to the front. 1080, obviously it supports up to 1080 60 as well. Alright, so On the left is the 70 Redmi K70. Like this is the K70, alright? And this is the K70E because they don't have watermarks. I have to shake it like that. The 1080 60 FPS. So let me just compare. So let me just compare. La, 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 la. So indoors. Well, I feel like on the 70E it's like more stable. Why? But I can just see that kind of breathing effect. But anyway, let me just go outside and test a little bit more. Alright, 70E. Why I feel like more shaky on the 70? Shouldn't be, right? Why? I don't know. Okay, let's run. We're both at default stabilization at 4K 30 FPS. This is actually very important because 4K like nowadays it's a standard, it's like normal resolution for people. But as for the 70E, it only supports like, you know, 4K 30, so I cannot do 60 comparison. But anyway, here you go. Let me just run a little bit. Both have a really shitty stabilization, I would say, at least judging from the screen. Okay. Okay, let's compare the front. Alright, both 1080 60 FPS. Both looks somehow really bad because you see the sky is totally got totally blown out, right? I know today is the cloudy day. You should be able to see the cloud, but anyway. So that's the. Let me run. Okay, I don't know. Seems not the ideal, but anyway. The 70 supports up to 10 times digital zoom, also for the 70E. Or one thing, how can we miss is the audio test. Alright, let me just
钻石10 window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 5 horas da manhã, quem tinha aqui já foi.这丰满身材谁顶得？